for our country. This day is National Youth Day. Yes, this day is very important for all the children and the youth of our country. This day is National Youth Day. This day falls on 12th of January every year. This day marks the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. He was one of the most important persons known in history. Swami Vivekananda was a very inspirational personality. To honor him, on 12th of January in the year 1985, our government of India decided to celebrate this day as National Youth Day. Let us have a small glimpse from his life and learn about his contributions for our country.
This is Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th of January in the year 1863 in Calcutta. His father's name was Vishwanath Datta. He was a very well-known attorney in Calcutta High Court. His mother's name was Bhuvneshwari Devi. She was a housewife but a very spiritual person. In childhood, Swami Vivekananda was called Narendranath. From his mother, he learned self-control and took interest in spirituality and meditation from a very, very young age. In the year 1879, he was the only student to receive the first division mark in the Presidency College entrance exam. He was a very bright student indeed. He took interest in the Hindu scriptures including the Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, and many other things. He was trained in the classical music. In the year 1884, he completed his BA Arts degree. In the year 1880, Swami Vivekananda joined Keshav Chandra Sen's naval Vishwanath, established by him after meeting Ramakrishna. He left his home in his young age in the search of God and decided to become a monk. He met Ramakrishna in the year 1882, and the meeting was a turning point in his life.
Children, Swami Vivekananda strongly believed that the progress of our nation depends on the education level of our youth and our young children. Let us remember this great hero on National Youth Day. Let us not forget his motivational speeches and his contribution towards making this young India a better India.
Swamiji said, "Arise, awake, for your country needs this tremendous sacrifice. It is the young men who will do it. The young, the energetic, the strong, the well-built, the intellectual. For them is the task." Development of these qualities will certainly transform our so-called youth into real youth. Then alone will they be able to break all the barriers that hamper their progress. Swami Vivekananda was confident about such transformation when he said, "My faith is in the younger generation, the modern generation. Out of them will come my workers. They will work out the whole problem like lions." Swami Vivekananda wanted our youth to be like lions. He himself was a lion and came to this world to transform everyone into lions. The effect of these thunderbolt-like words was such that many youth who fought for the country's freedom were transformed into real lions. To mention a few names were Subhash Chandra Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, Aurobindo, Sister Nivedita, Mahatma Gandhi, who made India free. His only mission in life was to awaken the youth of this country, to bring back the lost glory of our motherland. His life and message for a perennial source of inspiration to our modern youth. Children, let me tell you a short story about Swami Vivekananda. This story is about power of concentration by Swami Vivekananda. While Swami Vivekananda was in America, some boys were standing on the bridge and trying to shoot eggshells that were floating in the water. They failed almost at every try. Vivekananda, who was watching them from a distance, went close to them, took the gun and fired 12 times. And every time he fired, he hit the eggshell. The inquisitive boys asked him how he did it. He replied, "Whatever you are doing, put your whole mind on it. If you are shooting, your mind should be only on the target. Then you will never miss." If you are learning your lessons, children, think of only the lesson so you can achieve your success. Remember, children, the power of concentration is very important and significant. Whenever you learn your lessons in school or at home, if you concentrate, you remember them well. Remember, children, what Swamiji had taught you, that you always must concentrate and focus on your goals to achieve success in your life.